Hi all, welcome to post. You have seen in the morning, as expected, the market was down. Market was able to right now. Tomorrow RBI policy in line. So where the market is? So at 614, Bank Nifty somewhere around, and India Wix. If you look at, it is still at even 20. Again, it was kind of flat day compared to the fall. 1% up, only 1% up. Yes, all these were down 1%. So for this kind of fall, I generally think this should be like 3 to 4%. But looking at the volatility we have seen for the day, though markets are bearish, good, and with news in expectation. So tomorrow, I think around 10:30 to 11 the morning. So this thing will get, and Nifty and Bank Nifty is exactly poised at this. Very interesting to see. But yes, that's what I was saying. It can consolidate and grind it in between this zone. Okay, what has happened is it has just breached this zone and again closed in this zone. Same for even Bank Nifty. So breaking that this level, maybe hardly 10 to 15 minutes, it has just sustained below that level and then just came in and stopped exactly at this. So if you look at what is going to happen tomorrow, then again it is you can assume this is something like cat on a wall situation. You are very sure that for RBI policy, the outcome will be purely the rate of hike will be there, but how much is the quantum? So how much is there going to be increasing the rate? It is going to be basis point, because even on an unplanned rate cut announced on the last month, they were saying that in further meetings will be like increasing the rate to curb the inflation. So tomorrow is there is a no-brainer that it is getting increased, but how much is the key? Which is the rate? There only SRR or SLR. So all these things we need, and around I think 11 o'clock we might be getting clarity after the RBI governor speaks, and the last 2 days the meetings are going, and tomorrow the outcome will come. So with this in mind, again my view is very simple. If there is only 25 basis point cut, so I actually assume that market can have some kind of jittery reaction and then again will move on the upside. This is what my expectation is. Whatever is market is going to react, we may tomorrow. But what is my expectation? As long as if the rate is almost like 25 basis, then I don't expect anything. Only a small knee-jerk reaction might come, either in the upside or downside. But still, if that is only 25 basis point, I expect market to go in this way. So exactly, Bank Nifty is still in. So yesterday, today's low might break in the morning before the event. Okay, just to make sure some panic in the bull scam. So that I am expecting tomorrow. If it's just 25 basis point, I expect this to happen again. After that, however, the reaction to this commentary, then the key for the market for the next 2 days. This is what my expectation is. And even looking at today's market, we can expect the net institutional outflow. I guess it should be outflow, but the market has opened gap down, but after that there is no pressure in the market. So there were slight intraday dips, but at the end of the day, it has slightly recovered and almost closed at where and all it has opened. So this is what I feel like what has happened today, and tomorrow this is what my expectation is. And even I said because of this, I did not have any positions like many positions in the current week. Okay, so 12th. So I'm generally trading on 16th June. So all my positions I kept in next week, because personally I might be traveling. So next 2 to 3 days. So that is the reason I avoided, and even I updated in last 2-3 videos of our Zebu school market update. So that's it from my side as an update towards this. Maybe we will, during the tomorrow opening market, we might be having a view, but again, this will be around some 10:30, and generally our market opening report will be somewhere around 9:35 to 9. And for the tomorrow, the view seems to be simple, but only thing is, if there is any global cues, then we will just add on to it, and if you get an institutional number, then we may get a little clear clarity about what is going to happen. But only thing is, until and unless this is over, I do not want to take position. So this is what my tone, and I was repeating this tone for last 2 days. I hope you will also ensure that you don't get into this news-based stuffs. That's it as an update from my side for the day. So hope you enjoyed watching this. Catch you tomorrow on the live market open.